Welcome to the Real Rides of Real Estate, where we showcase the cool rides owned by those connected in the real estate industry. I'm Beau, and today I'm here with Dave Ferro, Vice President and Managing Broker for several offices of Watson Realty, which is a residential and commercial brokerage started in 1965, and they've got 50 offices. Now Dave, what real ride do we have behind us today?
A 1931 Ford Model A.
Ooh, she's got some years on her, right?
She's seen a lot of things.
You ready to share her with the whole world?
Yes, I am.
Let's do it.